Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand about how you can share the workbook. Now the option is share workbook, but this doesn't mean that simply opting for this option will allow the workbook to be shared. This simply means if workbook for some reason is in share folder where multiple user can have the access to it, then it will not be open on a read only format. This means multiple user will be able to do some changes. So how to do that? But first of all, where is this option? This option is in review tab, and you may see this option of share workbook. If I'm going to click in this share workbook option, which is under review tab, I will get an error prompt. This is something related to privacy option settings. So first of all, I will have to correct that. So for that, you need to go to file, click on options, trust center settings, click on privacy options, and then there is this option, remove personal information from file properties on SAV. Uncheck this option and click on OK. Now I can click in this share workbook option, and there you will see this checkbox which tells allow changes by more than one user at the same time. Click on this and click on OK. It will give a prompt and click on OK once again. Now this workbook is in shared mode. You will get to see shared written in the title bar. This means if you go to insert, there will be plenty of options which will be in inactive mode. And moreover, the benefit of it is going to be that multiple user can work in a single workbook. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.